In today's video, we will see how to delete a Meta Horizon account from Instagram. Remove linked Meta VR profile. So, the option 1, unlink the Meta Horizon account from Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap the menu icon and top in the top right corner. Then select settings and activity. Now tap account center under account settings and select account. And find your linked Meta Horizon account and tap it. And now choose remove account. Then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the removal. Option 2, permanently delete your Meta Horizon account. Visit the Meta Horizon account deletion page. Sign in with your Meta Horizon Meta account credential. Navigate to the delete your profile and data section. Now select delete account. Now review the information about data removal and account sequences. Then follow the prompt to confirm the deletion request. Goodbye and thanks for watching.